Powering Ahead to a Sustainable Future, a presentation by Solect Energy. The Inflation Reduction Act, IRA, of 2022 has been designed to help the nation address the climate crisis, promote environmental justice, support the country's clean energy manufacturing industry, and establish a net-zero economy by 2050. The Investment Tax Credit, ITC, reduces the federal income tax liability for a percentage of the cost of a solar system that is installed during the tax year. In order to be eligible for the commercial ITC, a project must be located in the United States or U.S. territories, use new and limited previously used equipment, and must not be leased to a tax-exempt entity, for example, a school. It's important to note that tax-exempt entities are also eligible to receive the ITC through direct payment. The Solar Massachusetts Renewable Target, SMART program, designed by DOER, is a 3,200 megawatts declining block incentive program. Eligible projects must be interconnected by one of 3 investor-owned utility companies in Massachusetts, which are Eversource, National Grid, and Unitil. The tariff-based incentive is paid directly by the utility company to the system owner. The Commonwealth of Massachusetts is gearing up to establish a carbon-neutral economy by 2050. To achieve that, it has developed a spectrum of goals, strategies, policies, and actions to reduce statewide gross GHG emissions by at least 85% below the 1990 baseline level to facilitate net zero by 2050. BIRDO is one of the major components of the Boston Climate Action Plan, the city's roadmap to a cleaner, carbon-neutral environment and a greener economy. The city's goal to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050 requires yearly emission reporting, analysis, and compliance with established building standards. BIRDO 2.0 is an updated version of the ordinance that includes more specifications on emission targets and reporting besides establishing building performance standards, an emission review board, an investment fund, and more. Solect Energy leverages extensive expertise to design and install the most cost-effective solar energy system for organizations. Additionally, we offer a suite of comprehensive operations and maintenance (O&M) services to keep your solar system performing at its best, including real-time monitoring, scheduled and corrective maintenance, SREC management, net metering support, and more. We have teamed up with Power Options to offer practical, sustainable, and affordable solar energy and storage solutions for nonprofit and public sector organizations. The Alliance guarantees you a fixed price for up to 20 years, favorable contract terms, and a smooth onboarding process. Here's the project execution process that starts with us analyzing possible costs, price stability, savings, resiliency, and the amount of carbon to be reduced. Next, we evaluate the proposed project site, electrical infrastructure, and annual utility bills, and advise on the required due diligence to identify further project details. The next step is to receive the letter of intent, followed by us performing the necessary project engineering, confirming applicable incentives, and getting the interconnection application approved. The next step comprises managing construction design and building permit applications, conducting pre-construction meetings, project installation, and interconnection. The final step involves local inspections, receiving permission to operate, PTO, and monitoring and maintenance. What elements contribute to the solar industry's growth further? Rising electricity prices are among the vital contributing factors. Solar energy provides a hedge against volatile energy prices, besides demonstrating your commitment to sustainability and promoting a clean economy. Solar canopies or carports are elevated structures that hold solar panels, generate clean energy, and offer some shelter from rain, snow, and intense sunlight. Solar carports equipped with EV charging stations are gaining increasing popularity with the growing number of EVs. A battery energy storage system can reduce your business's energy demand during peak hours, leading to substantial savings on your electric bills. Additionally, a BESS can help keep your facility going during power outages. Combining the power of solar and battery energy storage systems offers you a range of benefits, including peak demand management, increased resilience, energy independence, and more. Here's an overview. Peak demand management. With an energy storage system supporting your solar project, your facility draws upon stored energy during hours of high demand to help you avoid paying boosted electricity rates during this time. Increased resilience. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, power outages cost businesses as much as $150 billion annually. The battery energy storage system supports your facility during power outages, facilitates uninterrupted operation, and ensures unaffected revenue. A sustainable solution. Unlike generators powered by fossil fuels, a battery energy storage system is a cleaner and quieter alternative. That concludes today's presentation. Please feel free to send us your questions and feedback. Thank you so much for your time.